Hi, my name is Robin Hughes, and I'm the product owner for the TxDOTCONNECT release for maintenance. We thought we would start out by showing you what CMCS functionality will be replaced by TxDOTCONNECT in the first release. As you can see, I'm sitting on the main menu of CMCS. If I go to the A21 screen and put in a CSJ, this information will all be now in TxDOTCONNECT. We will also be replacing the A22 screen, the engineer's estimate, and the A23 screen, which is the contract information. Moving back to the main menu, we will also be replacing the A24, the A27, 28, and 29. So going forward, when we do our release of maintenance for TxDOTCONNECT, you will do all these functionality activities in TxDOTCONNECT. Additionally, there are some things that you will continue to use in CMCS. For example, you will do your A31 screen still in CMCS to assign your sequence numbers. Your A38 screen will be available in TxDOTCONNECT right there on your engineer's estimate. That's about everything we're going to be doing in TxDOTCONNECT for the first release. You'll still run your proposals, your advertisement, and all the other post-letting activities and during letting activities in CMCS. So let's look at TxDOTCONNECT, and we can relate those fields into CMCS. So I'm going to go into TxDOTCONNECT, and as you can see, I have some projects already created in El Paso. I'm going to look for the one that's in PS&E status and double-click it to open it. We'll get into how to create these projects in a later demo. When you open up an existing project, it opens to the project details page. Here's where you're going to see a lot of what you would see on your A21 screen. If I go to my location page, this is where I indicate where this maintenance project is going to occur. If I go into my letting page, which is all in the same grouped category, this is where I would have some of my contract information, basically the A23 screen. Just going to slowly scroll so you can see everything. Don't worry about the performance end dates. That's specific to federal funding. When we look at the engineer's estimate, this is your A22 screen. And your A22 screen is going to have your bid items and the person who entered the bid items, as you can see here. If the project is sealed, it would be indicated here. So that's like your A27 and A28 screens. If it's completed, obviously we don't do some of those screens. Within the engineer's estimate, you can actually run your E&Q sheet. So a lot of what you have in CMCS on your A21, 22, and 23 screens, including your specification lists, is all going to be now created and done in TxDOTCONNECT. I want to remind everybody that the information collected in TxDOTCONNECT for new projects will be sent to the mainframe CMCS when the project is sealed, so that other activities for letting and advertising can be completed. This concludes the overview between CMCS and TxDOTCONNECT.